everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to create a Shein account. Shein is an application where you can easily buy clothes for yourself, where you will have a lot of options to choose from. It is an online clothing store. It is a fun and ultra affordable online shopping platform. Fashion, home, beauty, accessories, shoes, pets, electronics, you can find everything over here. For you to create an account, open the Shein application, and once you're at this page, you need to tap on me on the bottom right. Tap that. On this page, you can tap on the very top left, tap that sign in/register, tap that, which will begin the registration process. Now for you to create an account, you need to provide your phone number or email address. You can also continue with Google or Facebook if you want to connect Shein with your Google or Facebook account. I'm gonna go with the email process and type in the email address. Then you tap on continue. Now you type in the password. Once that's done, you can tap on the circle checkbox if you want to receive exclusive offer and news from Shein. Tap on register. After entering, you need to provide your phone number over here. You need to choose a country code from here. Choose a country code and then type in the number, and a verification code will be sent to the number of years. Once you receive the verification code, you need to type in on the verification code text box. I'm just gonna skip this process, but tap on skip. With that, the registration is completed. So this is a way how you can easily create Shein account for yourself. You can see your account profile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.